Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl back with another makeup tutorial, and today we are going to be creating this nice soft radiant glam look on this chocolate beauty right here. And as you guys know, I'm always going in with my Morphe pencil in Java. First and foremost, you guys, I would like to say thank you so much for the love, the comments. We are finally 500 subscribers in. We are 500 subscribers in. I don't know what to say, you guys. We are growing each and every day. I just want to say thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. I cannot wait until we reach 800 and 1,000. Oh my gosh, like I'm just gonna lose my mind when we get to that point. But I'm so happy that you guys enjoy my videos, and yeah, you guys are sticking around with me till the end. I really appreciate it, you guys. Like I'm just so excited. I'm just so excited that we are at 500. I didn't think I would get this far, but we are here. I remember wanting to reach 500 for the longest, and now today I am finally here. 500 subscribers in. Like, what? Okay. So, today, we're gonna be creating a soft glam look on this chocolate girly. So, I went in with, toffee, and I mixed it with 420 from the infallible concealer, and it's 420. I mixed those shades together to clean up her brows underneath. Now I'm going in with her foundation shade, and I am basically doing the top of her brows. I don't want to say I'm gonna stop, because sometimes I don't be stopping for her. I would really just be going, like, doing it. But I think I want to go back to concealing the brows with the same concealer that I use for the bottom, for the top. So yeah, it's just something that I think I want to do. I find it I see a difference between the concealer and the foundation. I don't know, it's just me. I find a difference when I'm concealing the top of the brows with foundation versus concealer. So I'm just gonna go back to concealing with concealers. So I'm glad that I was able to just kind of experience how it is with foundation. But yeah, your girl want to go back. For most people, I would go back, but for the most part, yeah, I'm going back. So you guys already know the jazz to this look. I went in with a soft brown from Juvias, no, actually not Juvias Place, from Bolive Butte, from Beauty by Melissa, from her palette, and I went in with Chocolat, and I went in and tapped that into her crease. After that, I applied some concealer for my base to apply this nude shade, also in her palette. I forgot the name, but it's in the same palette, you guys. And I'm just taking that buffing brush, and I am just applying that right on top of that concealer. And then I'm going back in with that brown shade Chocolat, and I'm just what am I doing? I'm taking away the harsh lines from the nude shade, just so everything can blend out seamlessly. Here I am going in with Wet and Wild eyeliner, and I'm just creating a liner for her. I am not creating a full wing liner. I'm just creating a liner to apply her lashes. You guys, this look is just like, it's always gonna be that look. Like, it's always gonna be that look. And period. Sis had them nice brows. Everything was looking good. So I did not apply lashes yet. So as you can see, I just applied eyeliner, and that was it. I went in with Milk of Magnesia per her request. And yeah, and here I am just blending it out with a beauty blender. Sometimes I like to mix things up. So I used to always go in with my Insta Pop a foundation brush. Now I'm going in with a beauty blender just to see the difference, to see if I can do two different ways of applying foundation, just in case something may happen, or if I like how it applies, or whatever the case may be. But she's not the only one that I've tried this on, but just to let you know, it's something about that brush. Like, it's like that brush don't do me no wrong. So it's something about that brush. I just love the way that my brush applies the foundation to the skin. So here I am going in with Toffee from Born This Way as her concealer, and I'm just applying that right underneath her eyes, above her lip, and I'm going to apply it on her chin and her forehead and down the bridge of her nose. Here I am using my Real Technique setting brush, and I am just blending out the edges of that concealer so that the rest of the concealer closer to underneath her eyes can set in just a little bit, so we can get that nice full coverage. Yes, chocolate girly. You guys, I did see a comment about how I take photos, and how my lighting is. You guys, I am gonna make a video about that. Whoever asked me for it, I am gonna make a video. It's just that I'm kind of in the midst of still trying to figure out my lighting, simply because I don't know if you guys noticed in some of my clips, the lighting is one way, then it's another way, then it's another way, then it's another way, and I hate that so bad. Like, I hate it so bad. I don't know what's going on, but I need to fix it. Also, I play with my lighting a lot, and I will show you guys what type of studio lights that I have. But I've played with them as far as like the tone of the light, like if I want like a yellow tone or maybe like a white tone of lighting. So I play with it a lot to get that perfect lighting that I like. And yeah, I'm still playing with it, you guys. It's just irritating so bad, especially when I'm taking pictures. It kind of takes away from the makeup and how the makeup really looks. So yeah, that's just something that I'm still working on, but I will definitely have a video out showing you guys how exactly I take my pictures, and as far as my lighting goes. So here I am using Laura Mercier, and this is the shade Honey as her setting powder. And also, you guys, I went in with Black Opal and Ebony to contour, and I'm just setting her brows a bit. She is on the oily side. So yeah, so here I am going in with Juvias Plays powdered contour. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just setting that in. I kind of mixed, so I went in with the Juvias Plays contour palette, and then I went in with Black Radiance contour palette. So here I am just setting that contour on her nose, making sure we have a snatched nose, like, period. Like, we need a snatched nose, period. And here I am just carving out her nose, and I'm going back in with Honey from Laura Mercier to set the contouring of her nose. I need to definitely try Sacha Buttercup, when it comes to setting the skin for darker complexions. I've heard nothing but great reviews about it. I think it's time that I need to try it. Here I am going with some blush. Yes, I love blush. I used to hate blush, but now I love it so much. I already went off camera and I lined up her lips a little bit. I was trying to give her like a really, really soft but not too much of a boldy look with the lips. So I kept it really natural and soft with the lips because it is her son's birthday. So she just wanted something really cute, but you know, let everybody know that she is mommy. So I went in with I believe this is Pout Me from Glow Up Academy by Kiki Adams liquid lipstick, and I just applied that on the lips, and then I went over with some clear lip gloss, and here I am going in with some face powder. And I basically do this thing now where I use 2 different shades of face powder. I use it for the upper, underneath the eyes and around the face, or I just use it all over. And basically I'm going in with Java from Maybelline Superstay face powder, and I also go in with my new favorite face powder by Fenty. It's literally like kind of like the darkest shade. It's like the second to darkest shade. So yeah, you guys don't ask me for the number because I really forgot and I'm not near my makeup. So yes, so check out Fenty's face powders. I like them. I think they're really good. So I like them so far. And here I am going in with a pencil, black pencil, and I'm just going underneath the waterlines, and I am just darkening that up. Here I am going in with some mascara from Essence. Period. And this is, yes, look at her. Now I'm going in with highlight. This highlight is from Morphe in the shade, it's like Spark, and another shade I mixed together. And yes, her face looks so radiant. Obviously I went in with Morphe setting spray and I sprayed her face. I also went in with Revolution Super Hold spray, and this is what it's giving. Period. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the love. Thank you guys for 500 subscribers. I really, 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 really appreciate all the loves. I have videos coming out for you all. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you babies in the next video. Bye.